If you're selling your home, even in a market as wild as this one, you want to make sure you get every bit of money and value out of your property. Today, we're going to give you 5 tips to preparing your home for your first real estate showing and to maximize its value. Hey everyone, Sunit Agrawal here with the Best Sac Homes Group and Big Block Realty North. Today we're going to talk about prepping your home for the very first showing. The first thing you need to do is declutter and put away any personal items. This means kids' toys, pets' toys, personal items like frames and drawings. Remember, staging your home is about taking away, not about putting more things in. Your buyers will base the sale off of their gut when walking through the home. Make sure they get a good first impression and that they can see themselves in the home. Make sure your light bulbs work. This one should be a no-brainer. If you're selling your home, why would you open your doors to someone with only half of your appliances working? Go out, get some new bulbs, and as a bonus, make sure they're all the same color. This goes a long way to making the place feel visible. Third, you want to touch up the little things. This means repaint any paint spots that need it. Clean the baseboards and walls and get any stains or unseemly marks off windows and appliances. This is an easy and free way to make your home feel years or even decades younger. Fourth, fix that front door. This is another easy way to add value to your home. The front door is the first impression, so make sure it looks great. And if you want to go the extra mile, replace it with a new steel door. This can increase your home's value and show potential buyers that it was lived in with care. And finally, ask for feedback and be ready for the hard truth. If you have your first showing and you don't receive any offers, please don't lose hope. Ask shoppers what they think, even if it hurts you. Remember that you've been living in your home for many years and have made a ton of memories. Sometimes what works for us doesn't work for others. Don't be afraid to make simple changes if it means more money at the end. And there you go. These are our 5 tips for preparing your home for its first ever showing. If you are looking for someone to sell your home, please don't hesitate to reach out. We love being Sacramento's #1 real estate resource. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss an update, and we'll see you next time.